This is lecture 1 for MSc first semester for both the section paper code, MAT 702. Paper name is Real Analysis. This is unit 3rd and the topic is Weierstrass approximation. थ्योरम। ये यूनिट 3 का पहला टॉपिक है। इसके अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे कि मेजरेबल फंक्शंस कैन बी approximated by continuous function. In this section, we will discuss Weierstrass theorem, which establish that a continuous function defined on closed interval AB can be approximated by a polynomial. For doing this, first we do some calculations. This is lemma. For each positive integer n and real number x, सिग्मा k बराबर 0 to n, NCK बाइनोमियल कोफिशिएंट nx माइनस k का स्क्वायर x raised to power k and 1 minus x n minus k is equal to nx 1 minus x, where nk denotes the binomial coefficient, denotes the binomial coefficient, and nck is equal to n factorial over n minus k factorial and k factorial. Now proof. This is page number 3. We have the binomial theorem. We have the binomial theorem. One plus t raised to power n is equal to sigma k बराबर 0 to n c k t raised to power k, where t belongs to real number and n belongs to set of natural number. Suppose this equation is first. Now differentiating first, with respect to t and multiplying by t, we obtain. सबसे पहले हम इसको इक्वेशन ऑफ 1 को t के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे और उसके बाद उसको t से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तब हमको मिलेगा we get n 1 plus t raised to power n minus 1 into t is equal to sigma k बराबर 0 to n k t raised to power k. This is equation number 2. This is page 4. Repeating this our process, इसी प्रोसेस को दोबारा से फिर रिपीट करेंगे. रिपीट our process again. We get n minus 1 plus t n minus 2 to t square plus nt 1 plus t n minus 1 is equal to nt 1 plus nt 1 plus t n minus 2 is equal to sigma k 0 to n k square n k t raised to power k. So this is equation number 3. Now replacing t by x over 1 minus x in equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, and multiplying by multiplying by 1 minus x raised to power n. This is page 5. We have k 0 to n k x raised to power k 1 minus x n minus k is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. And k 0 to n k x raised to power k 1 minus x n minus k is equal to nx. This is equation number 5. And k बराबर 0 to n k square n k x raised to power k 1 minus x n minus k is equal to nx 1 minus x plus nx. This is equation number 6. Multiplying 4 by n square x square, 5 by minus 2nx and adding these results to equation number 6. Now suppose this is page 6. We get sigma k 1 to 0 to n nx minus k का स्क्वायर n k x raised to power k 1 minus x n minus k is equal to nx 1 minus x. This is equation number 7. जो हमने कैलकुलेशंस किए हैं 4, 5, 6 और 7, इन सबको हम यूज़ करेंगे जब हम वाइस्टर्स अप्रोक्सीमेशन थ्योरम को प्रूव करेंगे. थैंक यू.